Hello, St. Edward's friends. Today we are doing sounds to share, and the sound is like mop and mitten and monkey. I wonder what you can find in your house that begins with the M sound. I have something that I found in my house, and it's one of my favorite things to eat. And I don't know if you will have ever tried this because it comes all the way from England. And it is called Marmite. Marmite. So I have two M sounds in the object that I found. Marmite. I wonder what you can find in your house.